For some perspective here, our normal high this time of the year is actually 47. So we are well off the mark with that. For a high tomorrow, probably only about 31 degrees. We have low pressure and upper level trough going to bring in that northwesterly flow to the north. We have high pressure, which will dry us out for midweek and give us a little more sun if we can just make it through the next 24 hours. So in the mountains of western Maryland, not a great place to be whatsoever tomorrow. 22 the high with that winter storm in play. For us, it looks like just variably to mostly cloudy, windy again with those wind gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour and a high only of about 31 degrees. So we'll likely might not even get to freezing tomorrow, 33 down in Ocean City. Your extended forecast shows a little hope, at least a little more sun on Wednesday at 34. A gradual warm up into maybe the upper 30s by the end of the week. Still a slight chance of flurries each and every day. But the best next shot of flurries or maybe a snow shower or two would be for the Ravens on Sunday for that game, 38 the high.